Good afternoon, everyone, and Merry Christmas. It is December 22nd, 3 days away from Christmas. Class number 11 for KIT 6C. Nothing special in this particular class. Basically, it's just your homework that you have to take care of. You have your answers from last week, the reading in Japanese, and your homework. And the work will begin again next week in January. We have a reading quiz that I have to still finish making. You have your walking video that you have to do, and then we'll continue from there. And speaking of next January, I want to make sure, if you weren't here last time, that you understand that today is the 22nd. It's the last day of December. And the first Wednesday in January is January 5th, but that will use the Monday schedule. So we'll have a Wednesday. It's just that we'll not have a Wednesday class on the 5th. The first Wednesday class will be on the 12th. Okay, so the first Wednesday in January is a Monday schedule. The next time we meet after today will be the 12th of January. Okay, all righty. So a pretty easy week for this time around, just the homework. Make sure that you download the answers. If you have any questions, please email me. Otherwise, you can talk to me at the end of this class. Okay, thanks very much, everyone. And Merry Christmas.